Today is the beginning tutorial of scripting, and hopefully this will help you guys out and help you guys to make a better game of what you already have. Maybe you already know some scripting and you just need a refresh. Well, this video, I'm hoping it'll help you guys out and continue for your journey, and good luck. Hello and welcome to the first ever scripting tutorial on my channel. I will be explaining the total basics to scripting for Lua. Hopefully this will help you out and get you into scripting and creating your own amazing games. So first off, creating a script. Creating a script's easy. You just go to a workspace. You can press this plus button, and you see the script right here. You can just click it. Actually, that's my most recent. So if I go to script, you can just look up a script, and then boom, you can insert it. Now, this is called a server script. I'll explain server and client later. Don't have to worry about that now. But as soon as you open the script, it'll have print hello world or something like that. And you can just delete that. So after you delete that, the first thing we're going to go into is variables. And variables are basically giving something a name so you can use it later. So how you write a variable is saying local. And local means whatever I type after this belongs to this script. Like, I can't use it in another script. If I were to open another script, I can't take whatever I put here and put it in another. But that'll make sense after I kind of explain what variables are. So variables, you can give them a name. So if I wanted to give variables a name, I can name it cool person. Now, that's the name of the variable. But now I got to give the variable a value. So the cool person equals, what does cool person equal? It'll just be 1. Cool person equals 1. There's only one cool person. Or I can do number of cool people. Oh my gosh. People. Number of cool people equals 1. That means there's only one cool person in the world, I guess. I don't know. But you can't have spaces in the names, or you can't have numbers. Like, if you were to have a number at the first, it will just work. It won't work. But you can have numbers inside the text. You just can't have it starting. And I'm pretty sure you can have it ending. Yeah, you can have it ending. But you can't have a number starting the name. But now, since I have the value, that's the variable. So now I can do, whenever I do number of cool people right here, the script knows what this is. This equals 1. So if I were to do print number of cool people, number of cool people, this will print, so this is the output. This is the output thing. It's whenever I call a print, it will put it out here, or any errors in my code. So if I were to print this, it should print 1 because that's what this equals. So let's go. See, it prints 1, and that's the value of how many cool people. So basically what variables are just something you can use in this script that carries a value, and the value is 1. Now, another thing the variables can do, you can also have variables called you can have variables that hold like items, like the script, the spawn location, the base plate, the players, lighting, all these other services. So if I wanted the script to know what workspace was, I could do local workspace equals, I can't have the name as that because local, the workspace equals, so game. Game is just everything in the game, then dot workspace. So now it knows what workspace is. But let me explain this to you. So game is this whole game, and dots are basically getting children. What children are so when you have the whole game, children are all this. Like, these are all children of the game. It's kind of like a family tree. Like, it was the game is like God, and then these are all God's kids, we'll say that. And so he's got one of his kids' workspace, players, lighting, material service, replicated first, replicated storage. Like, all these things are children of God or the game. I don't know why you're saying, but then Workspace also has children. You see this arrow? It's the children of Workspace is camera, terrain, the script I added, spawn location, and base plate, and it keeps going. So it's like one of the children had more children, and it's basically like a family tree how it works, and then yeah, it just kind of ends whenever you don't have any more children, but you can just add stuff. It depends on how your game works, but what we have now is we have all these children, but what we can also do, you could do .workspace, .spawn location, .decal. So let's just do decal. So now we got the decal of this, but what if I wanted the script? How would I get the script? So from the decal to get to the script, what I would do is decal, which is the decal. We could do dot. Now you're thinking nothing else here. What are you gonna do? You do .parent. Now what parent is the child. Whatever the parent is of the child, it will go to that. So the parent of decal is spawn location. So it's basically just going back up. And then I could do .parent. And now I'm at Workspace, and now I can get the script because it's a child of Workspace. So let me try to slow down. I might be going too fast. But decal, so we're at decal. Then we're going to the parent, which is spawn location. Then we're going to Workspace. So 2 parents. And then now, since we're at Workspace, we can get to the script. .script. Now we're at the script. This is where basically imagine the game selecting stuff. Like how you would select stuff in the Explorer. Like I'm selecting Workspace, I'm selecting that. Imagine it doing this. So decal, game, we're in the game. This is the game. And it's going to do Workspace. It's selecting Workspace, spawn location, and now it's on decal. And then we're telling it to go decal.parent.script. So it's just moving between all those things. And we can give this a name, like it's its own variable. Local script equals, I can't have it, the script equals that. So now we got the decal and script. And just for clarification, if I print these, decal, print the script, it will just print the names decal script because it knows what they are. All right, now that that's done, those are variables. Now we can use these variables for many things. So let's put a part in the Workspace. So we're just going to put a part, and now we have a part in the Workspace. Now we can change it all we want. We can stretch it, change the color, change the material. We can anchor it, turn off collision, all that stuff. But now we have this part, and what if you want to change the color, but you don't want to do it through Workspace? You just want it to change, and want it to change in a script. So whenever someone touches it, it changes. But we're just gonna do whenever the game starts, it will change. So we're gonna go in the script, and we're gonna do script, which is it's selecting script .parent. Now we're at Workspace. .part. Now we're at this part. That's what it's selecting. So we can give it the variable local part equals script.parent.part. Now we have this part selected. So let me explain what I just did. Part.prickColor. So the dot is getting the children of the part, but you're thinking there's no children. Well, properties can be children. So all these are children of the part, and we're getting brick color. So we're going to change the brick color. Equal is changing what the color is. So brick color.new. New is like adding something. I never really fully understood why we had new, but it's just how it works. So for brick color, we do the quotations, and then you see all these brick colors have different names. So let's say we wanted cadet blue. So we want the brick color to be cadet blue. Cadet blue. So now this is just a simple script. It's getting the part and it's making it blue. So let's just play. Boom. It's not brown anymore. It's blue. That's just a simple script and it works perfectly fine. Now that's going to be all for the video today. Tomorrow I will make another video and I will teach you guys how to make a kill brick. Now kill bricks are kind of tricky, but they're going to be really cool. So whenever you touch this, you will die basically. And it will be cool. All right. See you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my video. It took me a while to make and I hope it helped you a lot. I'll try to make more videos, so I'll help you guys out and so you can understand scripting a little bit more. But that's just the one for today, and I'll see you guys later.